Hey, what's going on guys? John here and welcome back to the channel. Now, this story here is going to be fairly familiar. BYD is going to be finally providing batteries to Tesla for the Model Y. Now, you guys are probably wondering, when have I ever mentioned about a BYD providing batteries for Teslas? Well, this was a while ago. There were rumors about it, and finally things have sort of solidified, and BYD executives finally said that they will be providing batteries for Tesla. Now, before we get into that, let's talk about BYD and what they are. So essentially, they are a humongous brand in China, and their services is pretty much all around electric vehicles. So building the cars, you guys can see really sexy cars from them. They are building one of the most beautiful cars out there. Now, although not as luxurious as a Neo or Xpeng, they are up there in competition, and they are the third largest automaker in China right now, which just gives you guys perspective of how big and how fast they are growing at the moment. Alright, so you guys are probably even wondering, why is Tesla using BYD and not just using their own in-house batteries? Well, the 4680 right now is ramping up, but it's ramping up very slowly. They said they make about 1 million batteries at the moment per month, and that may sound like a lot, but if you guys compact it together into a big battery cell, you're probably pushing out roughly like 4,000 or 5,000 cars. I'm just doing a rough estimate here, and 4,000 or 5,000 cars is just barely enough. If you guys think about just China alone, they have 100,000 cars or probably more per year, and that just means that Tesla definitely needs help with their battery here, and BYD is going to be jumping in to help them out with that. Now, there's no words whether it's going to be the brand new batteries or older generations batteries, or what the batteries that BYD have in their cars currently, but 100% is going to be as good or even better than what we have in our cars right now. It's going to be at least marginally better in terms of the range and just cold weather performance, because in China it's definitely much colder than down in the States. Alright, so like I said, there has been a lot of rumors months and years back, but now a BYD executive has finally said they will be making batteries for Tesla very soon. And those are their exact words during an interview, so there's no doubt that this relationship is going to happen. Now, the exact executive in mention is Lian Yubu. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but he is the one that during an interview said that there is going to be a relationship between Tesla and BYD. They're going to be building batteries. However, that interview got taken down from Weibo. Now, that video was originally uploaded to Weibo, and now it got removed, and I'm not sure why that is, but it might be some kind of internal documentation or information that wasn't supposed to be leaked in the first place. But I'll drop a link in the description below here. You guys can click on it. Maybe it's a VPN thing, maybe you have to be in China to view it, but I am unable to view it at the moment, so it seems like it's intentional that that link is no longer working. Alright guys, so that's all the information I have to share with you regarding this for today, at least. If there is any more information that comes up regarding BYD, Tesla, and batteries, I will keep you guys up to date. And if you guys want to stay tuned for more episodes like this, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification if you guys haven't done so already. This is John once again. Peace out.